Hello and welcome to my garage. Yesterday I built the bench you can see here behind me. I just wanted to make a video showing you guys how to make a bench because it's super easy. I slapped this one together in maybe an hour with a bunch of leftover wood that I have, and I didn't use that many tools either. So for the most part, it's definitely something you can do if you have an empty space in your garage and you want to maintain your bikes or work on projects. A small workbench is definitely the way to go. So I hope you guys enjoy the video and like it if you do.
Fix it the way you want. You're the one's got to live with it.
Yep. So there you have it, guys. That's it. There's the bench right behind me. Nothing super special, but super quick, easy, dirty, and functional. It's gonna be nicer than my old one. Much smaller, so I'm excited for that. And I'll catch you guys on the next build, and I hope you enjoyed.